Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Hope your loved ones are doing well. So in today's video we will be talking about my top blushes that I love, and these are powder blushes also and cream blushes also. And just wanted to tell you that these earrings are from Ever Stylish, beautiful earrings, very affordable and very good quality. So yeah, let's begin our video, and before that you have to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. And guys, I'm most active on Instagram, so do follow me on my Instagram. My ID is Shreya V Parekh. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Right, so when it comes to cream blushes, I just have two options. So let's start with the cream blushes, starting with elf monochromatic blush. This is their luminous berry. Really like the color. The color it gives like very luminous finish. And if you have not applied any highlighter, you don't need to apply because it has a cream plus highlighter color in it. And this is how it looks. And let me just show you the swatch of this. And this is how it looks. Let me just show you. Very beautiful shade. Do you see that glow and you see that shimmer particles in it? But yeah, it gives you it has little bit shimmer. If you guys want a very matte finish, don't go for it. They have various shades also, so definitely try these out. Next, coming on to another cream blush, which is from Kbeauty Bomb Blush. This is in the shade Cinnamon. Beautiful blush. I really love the texture. I really love how it glides on your face. Beautiful. It gives you that little glow on your face. Makes your cheeks very healthy, luminous, glowy. This is in the shade Cinnamon, and this is how it looks. Let me just show you, and let me just do you see that cinnamon color? It gives you really healthy, glowing skin. Do you see that? Definitely check these out. I really like this blush. So let's start with the powder blush. So here I have this Miss Claire blusher in the shade 06. So if you guys looking for a coral apricot shade, it is exactly apricot shade, as you can see. But it has lots and lots of shimmer particles in it. Show you, and this is how it looks. Good for medium to deeper skin tone. Very nice, very beautiful shade. They have many colors, many shades, but they are very affordable and they are very beautiful blushes if you're looking for an affordable range. Now coming on to another one, I have this Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this is how it looks. Pinky cheesy color, and this is in the shade Rose. And let me just show you the swatch for this. Very it's not really pigmented. If you're looking for a very light, not that pigmented blush, go for this. Beautiful shades, and they have so many shades in this, and I just cannot I don't know you can see or not. Let me just show you here. This is how it looks. Very light pigmented. Now coming on to another one, which is again from Maybelline. So it's their Master Flush Creator. Beautiful shade. You can see two shades together. It's kind of a ombre color, and this is in the shade Kissbite. Let me just show you. This is how the shade looks. Let me just swatch it here. This blush is really pigmented, super pigmented, and if you want to use, and they have two different shades. So if you guys want to use this one, so you can just take your brush, dab on this and use this blush, and if you want to use this, you can dab it on this and use this blush. And if you want both shades together, just mix it and apply on your cheeks, and your cheeks will look amazing, cheesy, pinky kind of color. I really like this shade. If you guys want to check, please check this out. These are all tried and tested blushers that I'm showing to you, and I love them. Now coming on to another one, which is from Sugar Cosmetics. It's their Sugar Contour de Force blush. and this is in the shade Coral Climax. Another beautiful packaging. I really like such cardboard packaging. Very nice, very elegant, very lightweight, easy to carry. uh, it's okay if I don't have mirror, I don't mind, but the shades are amazing. It's a coral color, as you can see, beautiful shade. Let me just apply a little bit here, and you can see how beautiful this color looks. Very amazing, and it has very buttery finish, buttery, in texture. Very soft, very amazing shade, and it's very affordable. This is for around under 400 rupees. So if you guys want to check it out, please go ahead and check it out. And they have, yeah, I think they have so many colors in this, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, if you guys wanted to try Sugar, please go ahead and try. They have so many colors in this. Another is from L'Oreal Le Bar Blush. Beautiful packaging. How beautiful this looks. Golden and black color. Really like the packaging. Very luxurious, and the shades are written behind, as you can see. Both the shades. This is Be Fierce and this is Play With Me. Beautiful shades, and I just cannot live without these blushes. Beautiful. These are my favorite blushes, and these one and one another which I'm going to show you next. This is Play With Me shade, and this is how it looks. It has mirror also this side, and you get this brush also inside this. And let me just show you the swatch of this. Look at this, so beautiful, so buttery, so amazing shade. It is kind of a light coral shade. Just close your eyes and buy this product. That's all I can say. Another is Be Fierce, and this is how it looks. Beautiful dark, dark berry shade. And let me just show you the swatch. Another beautiful shade. This is one of my favorite shade. And they have City Explorer also in this. They have just 3 shades in this, who are beautiful. If you guys want to try, definitely try these out. Little expensive, but if you want to buy on sale, you can definitely check these out, because this is for something 600 700. I'm not sure, but I got this for 300 350 on Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So if you guys want to buy from the sale, you can definitely check these out. So yeah, the last one which I was talking about is Kbeauty matte blushes. Beautiful, very luxury. Just see how sleek packaging. Amazing shades are behind. You can see the color. This is how the shade looks. Everything is written behind the the color name, packaging, expiry. Everything is written behind, and just see the packaging, so luxury. Let me just show you inner packaging. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is, you will get a mirror and a blush. Now talking about these blushes, Kbeauty ones, they have that smoothness, amazing smoothness, no particles, nothing. You can see how beautiful this color is. It's in the shade Sweet Salmon. It's little pricey. This is for around 7.99, but you will get discount on this for 5.99 rupees. Very beautiful shade, very sleek packaging. I really like this product. Very fine, very fine. The swatch a little bit. I cannot see any particles in this. Show you applying this. If you ask me what are the best blushes that I can choose from all of these, are the Kbeauty ones and L'Oreal Le Bar blush. Beautiful. And the last one is the Sugar Contour de Force blush. These 3 are my top favorite. I mean, all are my favorite, but these are, I cannot just live without these blushes. Beautiful shades, beautiful pigmentation, beautiful quality, and very affordable. So that's all about it, guys. Hope you like my video. Please give a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Till then, I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, bye.